Welcome back, class. Today we're going to be creating a marbled effect using shaving cream and food coloring. Let's get started. So for this project you'll need shaving cream and food coloring, but you'll also want to have a fork attached to a spoon or like a stick of some sort, and I think a squeegee is super helpful, and I also recommend having a rag so you can wipe your squeegee clean easily. To begin, students, you have to decide between the warm colors, red and yellow, or the cool colors, blue and green. I'm going to be using blue and green for my example because I want to do a night sky, so I'm going to do the cool colors. Once you have your colors selected, you'll let me know, and then I'll drop in a few drops for you. Okay, so I got some drops of green and blue here. With the fork, students will have a few minutes to go back and forth. You can see that color is starting to mix and blend around. Okay, and then students will have 2 papers. Make sure your name and class code is on your paper before you do this part. What you're going to do is you're going to take one paper and set it down in the tub and do a good rub, rub, rub. I can see some of the color here through the paper. That's good. That's what I want. Do a little rub. All right. Next, I'm going to lift this up. Oh, here we go. Now, with your second paper, because we want 2, you want to have 2 of these papers, okay? You got your second paper, names on the back. I'm going to put face down on each other, and I'm going to rub again. All right, so now I have 2 papers. With the squeegee and a rag, you'll take this, you'll go across, holding down. Ooh, I like that. I like that. That looks nice. Now right here, I've got a lot on here. I can come back and do more. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Maybe one more. Okay, let's go on to the next paper. Let's see how this one's turning out. And so I gotta kind of hold it down a little bit. Oh yeah, oh, I like that part. Oh, it's pretty. I'm gonna do it again. Oh yes. Oh, that's pretty. See all of this right here? If you wanna try to get it on your paper, like that, and you just wipe it across. If you wanna try to add more. You wanna go in one direction. If you want to go back in the opposite direction, you can definitely do that too. Okay, when you feel like you're done, you can use your rag to wipe off the squeegee. And when you rinse the rag with water, the foam goes away really easily, okay? So at this point, this is ready for the next student. The next student could come over here and start working. I need to take my paper to the drying rack, and I need to take my rag to the sink to rinse the foam off.